Good day, everyone. We are the Group 11. Today, we're going to discuss about the genes in population. This presentation delves into the significance of genes in population, emphasizing genetic variation, the principles of population genetics, and how evolutionary processes influence species adaptation and survival. Understanding these factors is crucial for studying biodiversity and the resilience of ecosystems in the face of environmental changes. So, genes in population is also known as population genetics. This field answers a fundamental question like what makes a group organisms, be it deer, bacteria, or people, able to survive and change over time. The key is the genetic information they carry. We'll focus on the essential ingredient for adaptation. It is the genetic variation. So next is genetic variation. So what is genetic variation? Genetic variation refers to the diversity in the gene frequencies within a population. It is essential for a population's ability to adapt to changing environments and contributes to overall biodiversity. What are the sources of variation? Genetic variation arises from mutations, gene flow, and sexual reproduction. These processes introduce new alleles into a population, creating a rich genetic landscape. Measurement of variation. Variability can be quantified using metrics like heterozygosity and allele frequency, which help researchers understand the genetic health of population. So, it is the diversity of gene versions, the different alleles that exist within a population. High variation in is a species life insurance. When the environment changes, some individuals are more likely to have the right genes to adapt and survive. This diversity originates from three sources: mutation, um, gene flow, and sexual reproduction. And scientists track genetic health and using measurable statistics like allele frequency and heterozygosity. So allele frequency is often a gene version appears, while heterozygosity is um, how many different gene versions an average individual carries. So in short, genetic variation fuels adaptation and is the key to the population survival and long-term evolutionary success.
First, looking at section 1, we have the study of gene frequencies. At its heart, population genetics isn't just about individual DNA. It is focused on distribution and change in allele frequencies across a whole group. We look at how these frequencies shift over time due to specific evolution process such as natural selection or genetic drift. This leads us to section 2, the Hardy-Weinberg principle. You might wonder how do we know if a population is evolving? The principle gives us the answer by providing a mathematical baseline for genetic equilibrium. It describes a hypothetical state where allele and genotype frequency remain constant because there are no evolution influence acting upon them. It serves as the control against which we measure change. Finally, in section 3, we look at the practical application of conservation. This science is a vital for real-world strategies. By understanding these genetic patterns, scientists can help maintain genetic diversity. It endangered species, preventing inbreeding and ensuring population remain healthy enough to survive in the wild. This slide summarizes the three primary evolution processes that cause allele frequency to change over time. First is natural selection. This is the process you're likely most familiar with. It is favor alleles that provides a survival or reproductive advantage. Over generation, these advantages traits become more common, which is the definition of evolution change. Next is genetic drift. This is a purely random process that has a huge impact, especially in small population. Chance, chance event, not the fitness of the organism, cause random fluctuation in allele frequency. This can quickly lead to significant genetic divergence, often loss important variation. Last is gene flow. This refers to the movement of alleles between population, typical through migration. With individuals more, they bring new genetic materials with them. This influx can prevent population from becoming too distinct and vital for maintaining diversity across the species range. These three processes, selection, drift, and flow, are the main mechanisms that scientists study to understand how population evolved in the natural world.
Today, ma'am, our topic ma'am is adaptation and speciation. So adaptation mechanisms, populations adapt their environment through various mechanisms leading the traits that increase fitness. This adaptation can be mor- morphological and behavioral or physiological. So the example of adaptation mechanisms is kanang camels develop some to store fat pending them survive in desert. Second is speciation events. Over time, populations may evolve into distinct species through processes such as allopatric or sympatric speciations driven by genetics, divergence, or productive isolation. The same example is Darwin's species is on the Galapagos Islands involved into different species with its different weight shifts depending on the type of food available. Third is role of environmental factors. Environmental factors pressure such as climate change or habitat destructions can accelerate adaptive processes and impact the rate of speciations within population. Example of this term is as ice melted and at end of the ice age, some wolf populations adapt to forest environment, eventually evolving into modern domestic dog. Second topic is human impact of genetic diversity. Habitat loss. Human activities include deforestation and urbanization threaten genetic diversity by fragmenting population and isolating gene pools. For example of the habitat loss is cutting rainforests and Amazon separates monkeys groups. Over time, each group becomes genetically weaker because they only breed among themselves. Second, populations and climate change. Environmental populations and global warming can alter selection pressures, forcing populations to adapt more rapidly or face extinctions. So the example of this is fish living in populated rivers must adapt to tolerate toxin. If they cannot, the entire populations may die. die. Third is conservation strategies. Effective conservation approaches must consider the genetic health of populations utilizing tools like captive breeding and habitat restoration. Example of this is breeding Philippines eagles in the captivity helps increase their numbers and preserve their genetic diversity.
Good morning, ma'am. So my topic is all about future directions in study. Advance in genomic technological advancement in genomic are revolutionizing our understanding in genetics in population. Second is integrative approach. Combining the genetic with data, ecological and behavioral information will enhance our understanding of gene environment interactions. Third is the global collaborations. International collaborative efforts are essential to track genes in population against the global changes. So next is Importance of gene understanding in conservation. Understanding the role of genes in population dynamics is crucial for biodiversity conservation and species management. Continued research will enhance our ability to mitigate the human impacts and preserve the genetics health of population for future generations. So there are three importance in understanding the conservation. First is the role of gene influence the population dynamics. Second is the biodiversity conservation. It is understanding the genetic factors aids in conserving the biodiversity. Third is the future generations. Research ensures the genetic health of population. Thank you, ma'am.